Dear students, this is Mrs. Shaha, your principal, and this is the moment that we've all been awaiting for so long. Notification and information regarding the board examination for session 21-22. As you know, the board examination this time has been split into term 1 and term 2. Bifurcation of syllabus, I am sure, has made preparation easier. You now have multiple choice responses awaiting you with an OMR sheet type of response. Class teachers and all teachers on board have oriented you already about the exam protocol and the do's and don'ts. This is my message to you, to stay safe and above all, be honest, maintain integrity and ethics during the course of the examination. It's a long haul. Please take care of yourselves so that you don't fall ill. The best piece of news is that MBWA is your home center. We are all there to look after you and to ensure safety, security standards and COVID protocols are maintained to the last degree. We seek your cooperation for you to keep your masks on. It is going to be difficult, but you know that it is essential for you to keep safe as well as ensure the safety of all your friends and peers who are taking the exam with you. Please follow the board notifications and guidelines with regard to the proper pen that you must bring. Please do not carry large bags and treat this as an exam that you would take in any other center allotted to you by the board. Mobile phones, if they must be brought, will have to be safely packed, put in the silent mode and deposited at the time of entry in the cartons that are going to be kept at the entry point. Avoid crowding at the time of dispersal and be very, very careful while collecting the mobile phones that you may have kept during the course of the examination. Above all, remain true to yourself and know that this examination is simply a gateway to the future. I know you're well prepared. Teachers have taken ample care, ample practice has been given to you. Now it is up to you to deliver. I'm sure all of you will do extremely well and pass this initial test with flying colors. We are all with you. Our team, our family of MBWA is with you all the way.
Dear students, you'll be happy to know that you have got home center for your term 1 board examination. However, you have to follow certain rules and regulations during the examination. I'll take you through the do's and don'ts which you have to follow during the examination. Important instructions for CBSE Term 1 Examination 2021-22 for classes 10 and 12. School gate will open at 10 am. All must be seated by 11 am. Report to school well in advance for all procedures to happen comfortably, maintaining all COVID protocols. Maintain social distancing at all times. You must be in proper school uniform with school ID card, previous years. School blazer or black cardigan and black flat closed shoes will be permitted in case the stipulated items in uniform are not available with students. Hair must be neatly tied. You must wear N95 mask and carry your own sanitizer. Carry your admit card every day. Both parent and candidate must sign on the admit card. You should carry only a blue ballpoint pen. You can keep one extra. Carry your own transparent water bottle. Mobile and other electronic items, bits of paper, large bags, books, copies, etc. are not allowed inside the examination center. Digital watch is also not allowed. If you are carrying money, it is to be kept in a transparent pouch. No candidate will be allowed to leave the exam center before 1 p.m. Do not believe in fake videos and messages uploaded on social media regarding the examination. And lastly, do not indulge in any unfair practices. If found, then action will be taken as per the rules of board. Thank you. Best of luck for your exam.
We now move on to the exam process. CBSE Term 1 2021 examinations are going to start from 11:30 and there is 20 minutes reading time. So the question paper will be given away at 10 minutes past 11. From 11:10 to 11:30, you will read the question paper, after which you start answering. Now, coming to the OMR sheet. For the OMR sheet, you must fill it up with a blue ballpoint pen. In no situation should you be using a pencil. Ballpoint pen only, as we can see over here. Now, moving to the top right hand corner of the OMR sheet, you have to fill up the question paper code here, which is clearly given in your question paper. You need to correctly copy it from there onto the OMR sheet. Now, when you take a look at the OMR sheet, you will see that the details of the students is pre-filled over here. As soon as the OMR sheet is given to you in the examination hall, carefully go through all the details and assure yourself that it is correct. Once you are assured, go down the OMR sheet and you will see that there is a box over here where you have to write this statement: I confirm that all particulars given above are correct. This has to be written in your own hand. After that, you must sign here, full signature in running hand. That is very, very important. Once you have done this, now we are ready for answering the OMR sheet. You can see that after every question there are 4 boxes: A, B, C and D for the 4 options. After which there is a box, and right after that there is a circle with the question number marked. Suppose you are answering question number 1 and you feel that B is the correct option. So darken the circle with B written on it. If you are sure that this is the correct answer, proceed to write B in the box also. If you feel after shading that probably not B but C is the correct answer, then write C in the box. The answer written in the box will be considered final. Suppose you decide that you do not want to answer question number 1. In that case, you will not be marking any of the options here, A, B, C, D, as well as you will not write in the box. But you must shade the circle containing the question number 1. So once you shade this, it implies that you have left this question. Now, in the OMR sheet, as you can see, from 1 to 15, from 16 to 30, from 31 to 45, from 46 to 60. There are 60 questions that are available. Depending upon which subject you are appearing for, you will have to mark the answers in the OMR sheet. Suppose you are appearing for a subject where the maximum number of questions available is 50. In that case, in no situation should you be answering a number which is say 51 or 52 or 53. You should answer maximum till 50. If your question paper gives you question numbers maximum till 50. So please be alert about that. All the best.